This is why 90% of affiliate marketers will fail in the next 5 years. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and quit those 9-to-5 jobs. If you're interested in learning how to quit your 9-to-5 job and go all in with your online business, then please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. So I wanted to make this video because I've seen a ton of affiliate marketers come into the space recently, but the sad thing is I see a lot of these people not building their business for the long term. So I'm going to explain why 90% of people are going to fail at affiliate marketing in the next 5 years. Now, when I first started my online business in May of 2019, I simply just wanted to make extra money. And I totally understand that, right? When you're first starting out, you need to get that confidence that this actually works for you, not just everyone else that you see making money online. So I totally get that, but you need to start thinking as you start building your business, how can I build my business for the long term? Now, I'm going to say some things in this video that might upset some people, but there's also going to be some people that are going to take my advice and use this to build their business for the long term. Now, when I first started affiliate marketing, there was no such thing as short form videos. There was no TikTok, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts. And honestly, that's been amazing for my business. It's brought us thousands and thousands of leads and thousands of sales. Okay, that being said, that's not the main focus of my online business. I want to explain why most people are focusing on the wrong things. Okay, so right now, if you want to stay in this business for the long term, you need to be focusing on building a long-term traffic strategy and a long-term strategy that's going to build up a customer list. Okay, so let me explain what I focus right now on my business, and this is the same thing that I've been focusing on since May of 2019, is building my email list and building my YouTube channel. Okay, those are the main two things that I focus on because I like to look at this business as a long-term deal, right? I don't want to ever go back to a 9-to-5 job. I don't ever want to get stagnant. So that's why I'm building these assets that are, yes, they're harder to build, but I'm going to have them for the long term. Now, I see a ton of new affiliate marketers just focusing on TikTok, right? They're creating TikTok videos, they're sending people to their affiliate links, and they're getting a ton of sales. And that's awesome. Congratulations to you. But the only problem is you're not building a long-term business, okay? Because with TikTok, with IG Reels, you're not building that long-term search traffic. That's why I always preach having a YouTube channel. That's why all my programs I've built on creating a YouTube channel and create an email list. Those are the things that are going to last long term. Now, fortunately for me, when I started my online business, I was forced to do YouTube. I was forced to create a blog website because there was no such thing as a TikTok or short form video. So I'm actually really happy that I had to do things the hard way, right? Obviously right now it's so much easier to create a TikTok video. You can literally create a TikTok video in 6 to 8 seconds without even speaking, okay? Which is amazing, right? It's amazing how tons of my students are creating life transforming income with TikTok and they're crushing it, okay? But you need to understand, you want to be in this for the long term. You need to start thinking about how we build a system, how we build a business that's going to last a long time. Now, I'm not saying to completely give up on short form videos, but start thinking how we can use short form videos to build up our YouTube channel, right? You can switch that mindset, then you're going to start building longer term assets, right? You can start taking your TikTok and sending people from TikTok to maybe your YouTube channel, and from your YouTube channel to your email list. Those are the things that are actually hard assets, right? Especially your email list, because that email list you own and you control. Now, I believe in the next few years, even the next 5 years, that short form videos are going to start to decline. People are still going to be watching short form videos. People love them, but there's so many people that are going to be on these platforms that the organic reach is going to decline, and your business is also going to decline as well. Okay, just because the organic reach is going to be harder to get, it's going to be harder to get people from TikTok to your affiliate links. So you want to start thinking about how you can control that traffic, right? How can we take this traffic from TikTok and move it over to our YouTube channel and even move it from our YouTube channel to something hard like an email list, right? That's a hard asset that actually brings value in your business. Your business is not going to be valuable for the TikTok followers you have. It's going to be valuable for the actual customer list that you personally own. You don't own the list on TikTok. You don't own the list on Instagram. You don't even own the list on YouTube. So you want to start thinking about how can we get people from these platforms to email list. Now, again, I don't want you to stop these short form videos because they're amazing. They're bringing so many leads, so many sales to a ton of my students. But I just want you to make a simple shift in your business. I want you to start building out these longer term assets. That being said, I know YouTube is harder. I know it's harder to build an 8 and a 10, a 15-minute video on YouTube. It is a lot harder, but I promise you, if you do the hard things, you're gonna last in this business for the long term. I don't want you to be building an amazing business with your TikTok account and then one day the organic reach just gets declined, you get shut down. You wanna be able to control as many things as you can in your online business. And I want you to be in this for the long term, especially if you're following me, because you know that I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm gonna tell you how it is, but I'm also gonna tell you that it takes work to build this out for the long term. So that being said, I hope every single one of you that just watched this video, you're not going to be in that 90% that fails in the next 5 years. I want you to build out those hardcore assets like your YouTube channel, but more importantly, that email list. Now, if you need help building an email list, if you want all the resources, if you want everything you need to build that from scratch, then I want to invite you to my challenge down below. It's going to be in the first link of the YouTube description, where I show you exactly how I build that email list and also how you can build a YouTube channel from scratch. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you'll last in this business for a long time, because this is an amazing business, but things change very quickly, and I want you to be aware of the changes that occur in this online business. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next video. God bless.